guys, magbagong gupit tayo ngayon. Dito malamig. Okay, so, kakain tayo ng lumpiang Shanghai. Ito, for breakfast. Tapos, this is my chocolate cold drink. Ang cute niya, oh. Wait lang, unlock na ang button. Where are you, guys? Oh. Uy, bumukas ka! Ayaw bumukas niya. Kahit na kanila. Ito, oh. So good. Mami, ayaw bumukas. Ka-unlock yan. So,
Gusto mo ng ECD. Close ka?
no!
Mm.
Bakit di ko mag-pop open? Okay, open it. And then, bang. So good, and it's Kurami. My favorite. And then,
Mabasa yung notebook mo ba?
okay, it's better. And then, my
Bigay
iPhone.
mo na.
Is my iPhone?
Hi, thank you for calling IHG Army Hotel Reservations. This is Audrey. How can I help you?
It's so many.
Yes, I am. How can I help you?
Many.
Not a problem. Can I have the confirmation number of that reservation, please?
I have no YouTube here, but in this camera, I have a YouTube.
Do you have the confirmation number? If not, I can just look it up. Can I ask for your first name and last name, please?
My favorite here is a straw, and then this is.
Alright, not a problem. Let me just check the reservation on my end. There is just a moment. Yes, I was able to pull up, and I want to